Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about a skincare essential that's earned its place at the top, the best salicylic acid cleanser for acne-prone skin. Thayers Blemish Clearing Salicylic Acid Toner. This product is more than just hype. It's dermatologist-tested, gentle, and powerfully effective for tackling acne, blackheads, and oily skin, all while keeping your skin barrier happy. Let's start with what's inside this clean-looking bottle. It packs a punch with 2% salicylic acid, the maximum strength allowed for over-the-counter skincare. This beta-hydroxy acid dives deep into pores, exfoliating and clearing out the gunk that leads to breakouts. But unlike many harsh treatments, this toner doesn't leave your skin red, dry, or angry. That's thanks to the soothing trio of aloe vera, witch hazel, and lemongrass extract blended into the formula. Immediately refreshing, the toner glides on effortlessly, and you'll notice a calming sensation right away. There's no burning or tightness. That's because it's completely alcohol-free, no stinging, no stripping, just smooth, calming care. In fact, the formula is fragrance-free and paraben-free, making it a smart choice even for sensitive or combination skin types. Let's break down the action. Salicylic acid exfoliates not just the surface of your skin, but deep inside the pore lining. It dissolves oil, removes dead skin cells, and keeps your pores from clogging up. And that's exactly what makes it so effective against both whiteheads and blackheads, and in preventing future breakouts too. After just 1 week of regular use, users saw smoother skin texture and reduced acne blemishes. An impressive 92.5% agreed their skin looked visibly clearer. That's huge for a non-prescription product you can pick up for under $15. If you want to build a powerhouse acne routine, Thayers also offers a blemish-clearing cleanser and an acne serum. But even as a standalone, this toner delivers. Use it right after cleansing, morning and night. Just apply to clean skin using a cotton pad or your palms, then follow up with your favorite moisturizer or serum. And here's a bonus. The bottle is sleek, travel-friendly, and holds a generous 12 fluid ounces, so it lasts a long time even with daily use. So if you're looking to clear up breakouts, reduce blackheads, and refresh your skin without irritation, Thayers Blemish Clearing Salicylic Acid Toner is your go-to. It's gentle, effective, science-backed, and priced just right. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, where we cut through the noise and bring you skincare that actually works. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a breakdown of your next favorite product. See you in the next one.